So how can complete beginners set themselves up to earn up to $3 million in recurring commissions? I'm going to break it down for you right now. Hey, what's up everybody? Anthony Morrison here, and welcome to another video here on my channel. Super excited to talk to you today about my $3 million recurring commission formula and how you as a beginner, brand new, can start building your own ecosystem, right? To help you generate recurring commissions online. Now listen, if this is the first time you have ever been to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. I've got a lot of things here that I'm going to be diving into so I can teach you how this is done. My name is Anthony Morrison, and I've been doing this for the better part of 2 decades now. I've made well over $100 million online, and I started my YouTube channel in an effort to teach you the things that actually work. If you want to know the stuff that actually works and not the fluff, not the trendy stuff, not the things that people have just regurgitated because they saw it happen online, if you want to learn from somebody who's actually done this stuff before, I suggest that you smash that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and don't miss any of the trainings that I put out for you. Because not only do I go through a bunch of awesome stuff, at the very end, I'm actually going to give you a chance to just get your own copy of one of my books completely free. This manual right here literally walks you through how to do exactly what I'm about to teach you. I'm going to give you this completely free here at the end of my video. So hang out and you'll get this. No cost, no shipping, no free plus shipping, none of that stuff. It's just totally and completely free, right? And that's my way of giving back and teaching you. And hopefully you'll, hang out, watch more of my videos, and become a part of my community. Now, why are we talking about $3 million recurring commissions, right? Well, it's really simple. If you want to build a business online, one of the best things to do is have recurring commission. Recurring commission just simply means that someone is going to, like when you make a sale, right, or you earn a commission, that person is going to be billed every single month, right? Meaning you start generating recurring commissions. Now, not much you could do better than that, right? Because it means you make the sale one time and you get paid multiple times. So instead of you having to make sales every single month, you start building up recurring commissions that are basically helping you build your business each and every month. You're not starting over at zero. The question is, how do we do this? What is the formula? Where do we start? That's what we're going to go over here in this video. So we're going to pull up my whiteboard here, and I'm going to walk you through basically how this is done. So this is my whiteboard. I use this to teach a lot of times. When I'm teaching my classes with my students, we use my digital whiteboard here. And what we're going to do is kind of walk through how we get this $3 million recurring commission. Now, it is important, obviously, that you see that I actually have earned $3 million in recurring commission. So you can see right here, $2,935,000 within the next couple of months, or not even really a couple of months, within the next 30 days or so, you will see that we eclipse the $3 million mark, right? Now, there's a couple of things that were very important for this, okay? Important thing number one is that you have to find a sticky, that should just be a regular I, a sticky product. All right, now, what does that even mean? Like, when we talk about a sticky product, what does that mean? Sticky means, this just means something people do not cancel. Something people don't cancel. One of the things that people don't cancel is software. When you purchase a piece of software to run your business, oftentimes you don't cancel it, right? It's something you actually use. It's like having your internet service, your cell phone, your cable TV, right? Think about all of those types of things. Those are things we rarely ever cancel. Now, when we start talking about, gym memberships, right? We cancel those. When we start talking about things that are not essential to life, right? Essential to entertainment or essential to our business, we will typically cancel them. So what you want to do is you want to find a product that you can promote as an affiliate, okay, that has recurring commissions and is an essential tool that helps someone. Software is a big component of pretty much all online businesses, and because of that, we take a major interest in the software side when we're promoting things. And by the way, you don't have to build software or anything like that. You literally just become an affiliate. What that means is there's a company like the one I just showed you was ClickFunnels. They have a product and a software. They want more customers, and they say to you, hey, be an affiliate for us. Just send us new customers. And as you do, we'll pay you a commission. It's like old school referral fees, right? But this is just the new school way of doing it as an affiliate. That means as long as that person continues to use the ClickFunnels software, you continue to get paid every single month. Well, that adds up really fast. As you can see, I've made over $3 million or about to eclipse $3 million doing the same thing, right? So point number one is find a sticky product. Point number two, okay, is you need to build a list. Now, you're going to hear people say, build a list, but they're not going to really tell you how to build a list, right? Basically, this becomes like your email. This is your email list, okay? And then you can send out emails, and we call those promo emails, okay? So we call those promo emails. So you can send these promotional emails out to your list, okay? Those promotional emails, in this particular case, would go to ClickFunnels. Then when people purchase, okay, there's a commission made, and that commission goes back to you, right? So this commission goes up here to you, right? So this is where you make your money. So you're building a list, you're running the emails to your list, promoting this ClickFunnels product, okay? And this is just one specific product. You can do this for a lot of different products. Now the question you have is, okay, Anthony, this is great. I've got a sticky product. I can build my email list, okay? So I like that, but how do I get somebody to give me their email address? The third thing is you need to teach, right? You need to teach. Because what will somebody give you their email address for? They will give you their email address for education. The education on how to use that ClickFunnels software. So if you can create the education, okay, and it will teach people why they need to use ClickFunnels and how to use ClickFunnels, guess what? The education sells it for you. Whenever you send an email to the list that gave you their email address for the education, it's just a simple no-brainer for them to purchase it. Why? Because you've now taught them how to use it. You see what I'm saying? You've taught them how to use the software. So now they're like, hey, I'm in. I need this software. They get an email from you and they're like, oh my gosh, I'm in. So how can you make this happen? Well, I've built an ecosystem that already does it for you. And you can actually use that ecosystem. All you got to do is click the link. There's a link right below this video. Okay, you might have to click show more or see more info or something like that. And if you're on mobile, there might be like a little arrow in the top right-hand side, give or take, right? That expands and lets you see the description underneath this video. And when you see that, here's the thing. It's going to give you a link, and it's going to take you to the Partner with Anthony program. You can see my ecosystem. Here's what it looks like. Basically, I built this ecosystem, okay? So I built the ecosystem. And the ecosystem is all about education. All I do is teach, right? I teach different things inside of here. You, okay, if this is you, you simply promote the ecosystem. All right? Now, inside of here, I teach people how to use ClickFunnels, okay? If they purchase ClickFunnels, that commission, it goes back to you. I also teach people how to use something called GetResponse. If they purchase that, then guess what? The commission, it goes back to you. I teach people how to use another software called Build Redirects. If they purchase that, then guess what? That commission, it goes back to you. So what happens is, not only am I teaching, okay, how to do this, but I'm also giving you all the commissions. And now you get to earn multiple commissions. And that is the name of the game if you are a beginner. So, you want to know the $3 million recurring commission formula? I just showed it to you. And I've already built it for you. All you've got to do is click the link that you see right below this video. And when you do that, I'm also going to give you a copy of this book completely free because I want you to see it. I want you to read it. I want you to understand it. And then I want you to do it. You actually get to partner with me in this case, right? So I literally have built this for you. All you have to do is take advantage of it. All you've got to do is click the link below and check it out, right? You can tap into my ecosystem and you can start using this for yourself. And I'm telling you right now, there's nothing else like it. It's an amazing opportunity, and it's an amazing, I guess, change from all the trendy, fatty, here today, gone tomorrow type of stuff. You want to do something that really works? This is something that really works. Now, if you love this video and you feel like you learned something from it, what I want you to do is 3 things for me. I want you to subscribe to my channel. Just click the subscribe button, turn on notifications. I also want you to click that like button. There's a like button right below the video. Just click it. This lets YouTube know that, hey, lots and lots of people here should see this video, right? So when you click the like button, we'd appreciate it. And the third thing is leave me a comment. What do you think about the ecosystem? What do you think about the formula for beginners to be able to do this? I want your feedback. I want you to tell me what it is that you think about this video. When you subscribe, like, and comment, you'll be entered to win any of the numerous prizes and giveaways that we do here on our channel. But you can't be, qualified to win any of that if you don't take action. So subscribe, like, and comment, and then make sure that you click the link that you see right below this video. That's going to hook you up with a copy of this book completely free, no shipping and handling or anything like that. And of course, I hope that you'll join me tomorrow for another affiliate marketing training.